Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Gallatin County, Illinois, southeastern Hamilton County and south central Illinois, northeastern Saline County, Illinois, southwestern White County and southeast Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing walnut-size hail. This storm was located near El Dorado, moving east at 20 miles per hour.